wash it. First of all, you wash it. The pan nut, you wash it. Carry some more quantity inside the pot. This quantity is okay. Apply small quantity of water. Put it on fire till the water inside it dries up. You begin to turn it with something so that it will give you what you want. Now that all the water applied inside it have dried up, it is now right time for you to be turning the nut so that the oil will be coming out gradually. When the big quantity of oil comes out, we'll pour it inside this thing and return it back to the pot so that it will give you the final result. You can see now that small quantity of water has come out. So it is the right time now for you to remove it from the pot and return the nut back to the pot so that it will give you the final result. So I will now return it back to the pot so that it will give me the final result. So cover it with cover the pot again. Okay, right now everything about the nut has finished. I will carry it down so that it will give me that remaining oil inside it. Failure to do so, it will catch fire.
The aroma taste that is ready, and look at that rich color. Our palm kernel oil is ready and smelling so natural and pure. So now that it's ready, let it cool down a bit. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.